Hi, I'm Dr. Greg Dorr, and what we're going to do is an edema reduction application using TheraBand kinesiology tape. Now, we're showing this on the ankle, but this can be done anywhere in the body, anywhere that there's swelling. So in this case, we're going to do a standard lateral ankle sprain taping, and we're going to measure from the lateral corner of the knee to the dorsum of the foot. Now, with this one, we're going to cut 4 tails, but since with our patient here, we're going to demonstrate this using 2 strips. I'm going to measure 2 equidistant strips. And this way we can cut all the tails at one time. We are going to round our edges to make sure that we can avoid catching the corners on clothing. We're going to hold our 2 strips together, cut in the middle, and the TheraBand kinesiology tape actually has a dotted line right up the middle, making it easier for you to find 50% width. And then what we'll do is 50% of each tail. Now there's also a shortcut to doing this, and you can do that by just folding the tails up on themselves and cut right in the middle. And that'll give us our 4 strips. Now this is called a fan cut. And down at the tails, all I do is I tend to bunch them together. Now this is a little unique from what we've done in the past with our tails. What you're going to do is you're going to break your base above the tails. So now all 4 of them are still connected on the strip. Then down at the tails, at the very end, we're going to break again so that there's all of the tails individually have one piece that we can peel off of the base. So we're going to peel off our backing for our first strip, apply it to the posterior lateral aspect of the knee, which is where the lateral ankle drains. We're going to stretch the tissue. And now what we're going to do is just peel off those backings and just tap it down towards the end of the ankle. Now with each individual tail, because we left the backing on it, we can manipulate each tail easily all the way down onto the dorsum of the foot and just peel the backing off at the very end. And I always start with the inside and the outside ones first. And now the last 2 tails we can manipulate over the top of the foot. So with our second strip, once again, peel off that base. Now what we're going to try and do is create almost like a pie crust pattern. And again, just tap it down. We're going to start with the one that's most outside. Then the inside one on this side. And then finish off with the ones in the middle. And then we can use the backing to activate the adhesive. And of course, the important thing here is to see that we get that pie crust appearance where it'll give interlocking different strips from one to the other. For more information and other taping applications, visit TheraBandKtape.com.